Hi, in this tutorial we're going to look at the different ways that you can undo commits. So I've got a repository open here that we can just look at, and the most simple case is if you've got a commit that you've just made and you just want to undo that most recent commit. And it's very easy, you just right click and there's an option called undo commit. And what this is going to do is that it will leave your file system completely unchanged and it will just remove the commit from Git's history. So what we should see here is that these changes that are in this commit will now go into the working copy because they're still there on the file system and we've just removed it from Git's history. So you'll see if I click undo commit here, those changes are now here, ready for me to commit again. So I can just commit them again. But as I said, this only works for the most recent commit. If I wanted to revert the changes here, there is no undo commit. But we do have a revert commit, which is slightly different. You probably read in the tooltip, it says that we'll create a new commit that reverts the changes in this one. So you can see here what changes. So we went from this file to this one, like added some lines into this file. If I click revert commit, it's now added this new commit here, and the changes in here are literally just the inverse of that commit. So those are the two ways of reverting commits in Glint.